Let's examine how the marking features of chalk can be used to do online marking of work that has been set and will be assessed in a due work component. So on this page here, we have an example of some work, and we'll have a look at how we would use the Kami application found within chalk for marking this piece of work and giving feedback to students. So firstly, I need to go into the class Markbook to mark the piece of work. So if I go to Markbook, there are a number of different filters at the top that allow me to select that piece of work. Now at the moment, the filters I've chosen have been the type of work, and I can alter those here, project or quiz, or simply turn those off. We've also got the time it's due, so that's due in the term. I have these options down here, so I can search for work that was done last year if need be. Handy for a topic that runs over a year, such as a Year 12 course. The work type is here. At the moment it's showing assignment and assessment task. If I change this to none and then apply my filter, it's going to bring up another column of work here that wasn't there before. So if I get rid of that, just again get rid of none, and now it's only going to show me anything that was an assessment task or an assignment. So let's have a look now at how I would mark and grade this piece of work. So I'm going to click on the title, click on my three dots here, and view and grade the submission. Now chalk will load a preview in the Kami application of this piece of work. For best practice, students should be submitting PDF documents, not Word documents or Google Docs. These can be edited, whereas a PDF can't be edited. And let's look at all the features that are available in Kami to assist me to give feedback to students. So firstly, these are my selecting tools. This is my simple cursor. This is a hand tool, which allows me to drag and move around the piece of work. That allows me to select annotations. I have my dictionary. This is text to speech.
Questions requiring longer answers will direct you to the Send In pages at the back of the leaflet. Please detach the Send In.
All right. If I highlight a piece of work and then
this symbol indicates practical work.
I can click on the next sentence.
For infectious disease, Part 3, responses to pathogen.
So that is text to speech. Now these are my tools that I will use for marking. So this is my text highlighter, box highlighter, selecting large box pieces of text. I can change my colors, so change to yellow, it goes to yellow. This is a strike through tool, underline, and again I can change all my colors. This is my comments tool. Now this is the one I'm going to be using the most, I find. So let it allow another page to load. So with my comments, I can highlight a piece of work. And now I can make a comment about that piece of work. So I can make a text comment by typing into the box. I can delete that comment if I didn't like it. I can make a voice comment. So if I highlight some work, and now I can make a voice comment about that particular piece of work. And now I can then delete that comment if I wish as well. Just takes a little while for that one to load. Now I can make a voice comment about that particular piece of work. If I'm really feeling enthusiastic, I can make a video comment. And here comes my camera. It's a bit dark in here, but When I press record, as it was already doing, it's starting to record, and you can see you've got a 20-minute max. Now this would be a handy feature at the end of a piece of work. And let's delete that straight away rather than wait for it to save and upload. I can make a screen capture of certain pieces of work if I wish. Text box allows me to type directly onto a piece of work, so I just click, my text box appears, and I can drag to the size I want and the position I want, and then I can type directly into that text box. Let's delete that. I have an equation, a very simple equation editor, probably won't help many maths teachers. These are my drawing tools, so I can draw with different colors, draw different shapes if I really wish. And then of course my eraser, all the annotations. Let's get rid of those ones there, and that there as well, and that there also. Now, at the top of Kami, we also have the ability to do all of these things in the toolbar. So here we have up here, we can save any annotations, we can undo anything that we have done. I can change the size of the piece of work that I'm marking, so I can zoom in or zoom out as the case may be. That is obviously to print, that is to download, and then on this menu here we have all our navigation tools. So we can go to the last page, the first page, restore all annotations, rotate the piece of work, we can view it as single page or double page, we can hide all our comments until the end. So there are a large number of features that you can use in Kami to give students feedback that they can reflect upon. We can also add media and our signature if we like. If I don't like the toolbar on this side, I can toggle it to the other side, and there it is over there, or I can move it back where I want it to, whichever way it suits me. Look, Kami is a really useful application for marking online, for saving you printing work out. Voice comments have been found to be very beneficial to students. Video comments also, rather than just typing a comment in. Sometimes people find them faster. So there's a lot of different options in here. I encourage you to explore them and make use of them, and you can really give students some valuable feedback using the Kami feature.